Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to bring the video about OSINTER. OSINTER, that is a best hosting provider. Okay, so if you go to and check the price and all, you just go click on this and you will be able to check. Yeah, the first you will be able to get it done by the OSINTER 2.3, almost $3. You can use it. Okay, if you are planning to launch a new website, you can use it. Okay, so this is a basic plan. Okay, so if you are going to do the e-commerce related business, e-commerce means if you are daily basis you are adding the products and you have to maintain the products and everything. You think that side is not simple side. If you are running the, you have a lot of products, it may be you have more than 100 products in your store. You buy this one, business one. This is very good. Okay, so you have to buy this one. Okay, so this is the one I'm using currently. So here what you're going to do is, here first you have to check the OSINTER and you have to purchase it. Now I already purchased the server, so I'm going to log in via my Gmail ID. Here I successfully log into my OSINTER account. So you will be via my Gmail ID and password. Okay, so here you can see, here this is my dashboard of OSINTER. So here if you want to go to, here I have two websites business hosting. So I have currently running one website. Okay, so here you can see. So if you want to go to the domain, so this you can check with the domain how many domains we have. Okay, the websites. Okay, so currently I have only one website. Okay, so here if you want to add another website, you can click and add it another one. Okay, so here you can add another website. So I already added some websites. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, now click on this plus symbol. You have a WordPress or OSINTER WordPress builder. There is many choices are there. Here I'm going to select OSINTER web builder. So here the web builder and your WordPress. So here what you're going to do is, you can create the website using AI. Here you have to mention the domain name and everything. So here this already I have a domain name. I have already created the website. Okay, if you are a plan to create the website, you don't have any idea, those people don't worry about that one. So you have waste some money and give to the some web developing company. So you don't need to worry about that. It has a feature called create website using AI. OSINTER provided. There is a, you have create your website using AI. So you click on create. Here you can select this one. It is goes to this kind of web dashboard. Click next. Here there is a two choice: free build website themes. Here there are pre-built website themes are there. You will be able to select these themes. Otherwise, if you want to create the website using AI, you can go for the two different options. Okay, so click create blank. You have to create the website from the scratch. Okay, you have to create the website from the scratch using AI. Okay, so this is simple way. Okay, so this one so I don't have a domain. If you have purchased the domain, you have a domain. Okay, right? So click next. It asks you enter your domain. Okay, so if I provide the domain, the website will be created as a with AI. It's a business needs business website. Free one you can create these other themes. Okay, click create next. Here OSINTER provides lot of themes. You can see. Okay, you will be able to see the themes. These are the themes provided by OSINTER. Okay, that is the best way. Okay, there are two choices. The there are pre-designed themes are there. You go along with the pre-designed themes and you can customize your website. Here there are different themes are there. Okay, you don't have to purchase any themes from the theme for us, that kind of a websites. Okay, so you have to get the themes from the OSINTER. It provides all the things here. Here the simple way, this provide everything. If you need whatever themes you need, there are many themes are there. You can use it for your website. Okay, so which one you needed? So this is the very best things here. You will be able to see the preview as well. Click on the preview. You will be able to see the preview here. Very simple. So these are the website. If you want to launch my website, look like this way, you will be able to do it. Very easy. You just change your content and this photo. Use your text what you need. Okay. So everything you have to customize yourself. Very simple way. You have to do it. This kind of website. Okay. So let's go back. So here, let me explain this all the things here. There are plenty of themes are there. You can choose out of this. Okay, and start your WordPress building here. You can simply start. Okay, so whatever you can before you select the theme and go to installation in your WordPress. So first you have to confirm the theme. This theme is a appropriate one or not. First you have to confirm. You just go to right click. You just click preview. See, this is the very one. Here you can select it. Use this side. Here you can see it's very professional one. You know here. This one all things this picture and everything here. This is the logo of the website. You will be able to change your one. Okay. So the how many what are the menus you need, you can change it. You can customize your own. Photo also you can include your own. Text also you can include your own. These are the all the text you will be able to change it. Okay. You will be change your way. Okay. These are the text you will be able to change it. So it's next. Here if you click next, here it is asking some other all the SEO related stuff you need or not. Okay, these are all the things they are provided here. The mons, so all the things are you are provided. So these are the things we are using the SEO. SEO mean here you it is given the if you don't install this one, you click don't install this plugin. Okay, if you go along with this plugin, you have check it everything. Okay, you have to I don't need this one, you just uncheck it and click install. It is going to install your website. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple this one. It is going to install it. Okay, so at the moment I am not installed this theme because I already have my website is running, so that I am not installing. Okay, so this one should be when you start your business online. So if you have a website, no one come and visit your website. Okay, you the marketing is very much. The marketing we are called as SEO. There are no one have a good knowledge of SEO. SEO means you are going to market the website into the visitors. Okay, so the marketing is must. So the SEO which will be bring your website into the Google search. It's called. It is a purpose of we are including the SEO in our website. SEO is must. If you are without SEO, we can't run the website. Okay, if the website is not indexed on Google, no one know we have a website. Anything. So when the person is imagine if when the person is searching for perfume, we are selling the we are the person who's selling the perfume online. So when the person search the perfume online search box, our site is bring to the Google first page. Okay, so that is the best practice. Okay, that's how we have a gain the user to our website. So there is SEO which help us to bring our website into the Google first page. Okay, so these are the email marketing and the SEO, the web form. When the person is coming, then their details they are included. Then monster insight, which will be you can analyze the person where he coming from. Okay, how the traffic over website. Okay, the when you have if you have a shop. There are 100 customers are come to your website. They are the visitors of your shop. The same thing like if it is a website, how many traffics come from, where it's coming from. Okay, so there are everything we can. This everything you will be able to see this. If you install the monster inside, you will be able to see. Okay. Okay, these are the things we have to install. Okay, these are the things you have to install. You go better. I tell you. Go along with this plugin. Don't install this plugin. Don't do this. Everything is given. You just click and click next. Your paid template has been installed in your computer. Okay, so this is how we have make the website using Oskinter. Okay, you can go your with AI. You just start the website. The AI will be creating that one. Otherwise, there are pre-defined templates are there on Oskinter. You go along with that. You can do your website. Okay, you don't need to pay. You don't need to buy some other platform. You know, all the templates are there. You will be able to make your website using Oskinter. This is a very I'm using 4 years so 4 years so far. Okay, so but my experience, the speed and everything is fine. It's good. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.